Sister Peaches, troubles, don't cry. Oh no, hello.
Good evening, Sister Peaches.
Good evening.
Pastor say I must check on the shut-ins. How are you?
You calling me a shut-in? I have a little sprain on my ankle. It's nothing more than that shut-in. It's for the elderly.
Lord, man, Sister Peaches is too miserable. I'm
man,
just
this for your grandmother. I don't do them stuff. You're calling me a shut-in.
just carrying out God.
So remind me of your name again, dear. Remind me.
I am Sister Gracie from the new converts class.
Oh, Sister Gracie.
Yes.
That's Reverend Ronald's daughter that dashed the belly for the policeman.
No.
The one that breathed for the doctor?
No, Sister Peaches. My Templars is yet to be trampled on.
That's what you kids always say. Remember, I was young, you know. I was young.
No,
I know you're giving problems.
I'm not getting
Oh, what a wailing. Oh, suppose we know meet on that judgment day. Give me a second. I was putting something on the table. Give me a second there. Why?
I don't know why Pastor said me is damn miserable man.
You said something there? You said something? Okay, I was just checking. Give me a second. You didn't want anything?
No, thank you.
I hear you. Oh, look at that. Is this a tattoo? Is that a tattoo that you have on your leg?
No, it's not.
You know, that is a mark of the beast, though. When I was going to church, we couldn't have these things at all, but you young people, man.
It's not a tattoo, it's my birthmark.
This island needs Jesus. This island needs Jesus. He's a mighty going off. Oh gosh, the water was hot. Look at what happened. I'm so sorry. I had no idea. But sometimes when the demons are upon us, we have to burn them out. He's a mighty King of Kings. He's a glorious Lord of Lords.
You know, Sister Peaches, I'm just gonna sit over here. You can go and read your Bible. I'll sit right here. Because Pastor said me no, so I have to stay. So I'll just stay and you read your Bible.
I'm used to being alone in a Gracie. I have no problem staying here.
Okay.
God is always with me.
Pastor said I must stay with you for an hour. So
Who can be against me?
I'm right here.
Who can be against me? I'm quite alright by myself.
Alright. You stay there, I stay here when the hour
Okay,
is up.
fine.
When the hour is up,
That is fine. That is fine, Gracie. That is fine.
Okay.
That is fine.
Alright, I'm just gonna search.
On Christ, the solid rock I stand. All other
that the Bliss Challenge is starting right now. You can do anything you wish as long as your video is completely creative, like really creative. You can either do a dance video, you can do a freestyle on the instrumental, anything you guys want to do. And the kids can participate as well as
Sorry, just dropped. I just like dropping.
So when you do your videos, post it on your page and tag me because that's the only way I'm gonna get to see it. Then I will be reposting the videos and the person with the most likes on my page wins the challenge. So keep it blessed.
What is that? Sister Gracie, is that the girl, the little brown girl? She sang a song, something I like. I heard my grandson singing it.
It's nothing you would be interested in.
So it's a competition thing. How much is she giving away?
She's giving away $2,000, but you don't indulge.
No, I don't. I know. You know me as a woman.
So what you asking?
No, you know me as a strong woman of God. I'm just asking. So
yes.
Anybody can enter. I'm just asking.
Anybody can enter, including children.
Oh, okay. I'm just asking to be so I know what is going
Yes,
on in the world, so I know what to stay away from. Cause a good lady like me, you know.
It's the Blessed Challenge, and her name is Shenseea.
Okay, I've heard about her. Just asking. Probably we can invite her to church.
Anyways, can I borrow your bathroom a little bit? I really need to go to it.
Yeah, it's just down the corner. Just make the left turn and take the elevator.
Okay.
All right. Wow. Can you imagine like $2,000? $2,000 if you win a competition and I just saying, I was just praying to God saying that I want a little extra money to see if I can make some money from this. Let me see if my grandson can answer the phone. Could you really buy some new like a sewing machine and put it in so I can make some nice fabulous dresses for church? Hello, Joshua.
Hello, Mama.
Yes, it's Grandma.
Mm-hmm.
I see you something there. The little girl that you had on your the screen of your phone.
Shenseea.
Yes, Shenseea. You have the song called Bless. You have a little the music thing that you guys have.
Yes, Mama.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Send it to me.
Alright, Mama.
Yes, the WhatsApp.
Alright.
Okay, alright. Thank you. Take care.
Okay.
Everything alright?
Yes, everything is okay. But I have to go on the road now, okay?
Okay.
Yes,
alright.
I'm gonna run and I'll check it back next week Sunday after church. Because Pastor said I must do this every Sunday for an hour.
Okay. Bless you. Take care, man. Take care.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Alright,
Bye, yeah, man. Just alright.
okay.
Alright. Jesus, as if I can enter this thing, but I don't know. The song is on my phone now. This song is on my phone. Let's see if I can get something. Hold on. Shit. Let's go. Sister Peaches. Praise His holy name. 2,000 USD or mine. Huh. First thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Look in the mirror.
What's going on in here?
Blessed assurance.
I just came just to collect a book that I left here now. But what is
Jesus
this going
is
on in here?
mine.
Sister,
Oh,
I need some answers. I need some answers.
what a portrait of glory divine. Blessings, come on, say blessings and honor, glory and power be unto the ancients of days. Nothing compared to, I don't remember the words, my brain, shall prepare your glory, heavenly.
I just came to collect my book.
This is staying
I'm
between
going
me
to
and
leave.
you, right? I'm Gracie.
I just came
This is
to
staying
collect
between
my
me.
book.
This is staying between. Let's pray. This is no, look
I
at me.
just
No,
came
look
to
at me.
collect
I said,
my
look at me, Sister Gracie. I remember you as a little girl. Okay? I hold the keys to heaven gates. So if you know what is good for you, you want the Sunday dinner at evening time at church, I will just keep this between me and you. Alright? And if I win the competition, I can give you at least 50 US out of it.
You have to give me some more than 50.
I'll think about it.
No.
You're younger. I'll try to give you at least some 150. No, go out and spread the word of the Lord. Go out and spread the word of the Lord. Call it the things that you miss. Go. Thank you.
Have a good evening.
Sister Peaches.
Alright, so that is it for my Sister Peaches video with Rushelin. Rushelin put on after hot to the beer things. This is how she looked regularly when she's on my Instagram. This is how you look on an everyday basis. But how was it, being a part of this little video?
Boy, this is my first acting role. I hope to get that 150 euros that you promised me. It would do me well right now.
Yeah, but I really like enter, but I'll just put up on Instagram. But yeah, this is Sister Peaches. A lot of you people ask for the character. I know Sister Peaches is back, so hopefully you get a strength. Make sure you like, you share, you comment and subscribe, and go and follow Rushelin over here too. So who knows? Sister Gracie. If you see her out the road, call her Sister Gracie. I want to mix up the one. No, that was why I said the name. You should give her life to God, Sister Gracie.
Right?
Yeah, man, and Marian Hall.
True enough.
Yeah.
Real thing.
Dashing Out for Christ. That would be the title of her
Dashing out
album.
for Christ.
Alright, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, all the things. Bye. My time.
Bye.
We should put some bloopers.
When I delete them.
Yeah. Alright.
I guess this
Peace out.
is it.
This island is Jesus. He's a mighty going off. Oh gosh, the water was hot. Look at what happened. I'm so sorry. I had no idea. But sometimes when the demons are upon us, we have to burn them out. He's a mighty King of Kings. He's a glorious Lord of Lords.
Shenseea.
Okay, I've heard about her. Just asking, probably we can invite her to church. Oh dear! Oh, Sister Peaches! Praise this holy name! Oh yes! First thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say, bitch, I'm the best.
Pause.
Oh, you didn't look so good at doing that, so
Anyway, can I get back to the thing?
Video. When it's already recorded for the video.
record it again, because you never get it good like that, because I'm cut away to me.
Hold up.
Let's go for Jesus. First thing in the morning.
No, like pull up.
Let's go. Sister Peaches. Praise his holy name. 2,000 USD, you're mine. First thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Look
Sister
in the...
Peaches,